Stratigraphy, the layers of history. Today, archaeologists carefully excavate the fort in 10-foot square sections based on a grid system that covers the entire community. Within each square, archaeologists work back through time as they dig deeper. The soil on the surface is usually the newest, while deeper layers are generally older. The study of these layers is known as stratigraphy, which archaeologists use to understand how people changed and used the landscape over time. At Michilimackinac, the stratigraphy can be broadly broken down into 5 layers, each representing a historic period. Pre-contact and Native American, from before the first Europeans arrived at the Straits. French, from the construction of the fort in 1715 to the end of French control in 1761. British, reflecting British control of the fort from 1761 to about 1780. Demolition, containing the charred remains of the fort burned by British soldiers as they abandoned Michilimackinac in 1781. And modern, containing everything deposited since the destruction of Michilimackinac. Each of these layers can be further divided into smaller time periods, usually identified by changes in soil color and texture. Archaeologists excavate each layer individually, recording these changes as well as any artifacts or building remains they find. The soil is passed through 2 sets of screens, which pull out more artifacts, including small objects such as fish bones, seed beads, and lead shot. Each layer is also carefully mapped for future reference. Using this evidence, archaeologists can date the layers, identify buildings, and learn how people lived at Michilimackinac hundreds of years ago.